Good afternoon, everyone. Merrill Reese and Mike Quick at Raymond James Stadium as the Eagles beat the Tampa Bay Bucks.
The Eagles' last trip to Tampa was back in 2013, but many of the faces they saw on this trip were very familiar.
Peace to the guy. Hey, you think I take a look, all right? Yeah, let me too, boy.
The Buccaneers took a deep shot on the first play.
They go with an I formation on first down, play action. They are going deep downfield, and it is caught across the 40. Deshaun Jackson cuts back at the 30, the 20, the 10. The bomb, Deshaun Jackson, 75 yards.
The Eagles tried to counter, but had a hard time finding a rhythm on offense and found themselves down key players on top of it.
So far they've lost the starting wide receiver, starting running back. Vaitai comes in for Jason Peters.
Hey, let's go now. Let's take over.
Patrick again looks right. He's hit, and down he goes. Fletcher Cox has himself a quarterback.
The defense closed out the first quarter on a Ronald Darby interception.
Back goes Fitzpatrick. He loads up, he fires, and he completes it, and it's intercepted on a deflection. Running with the football is Darby, and the Eagles have it back.
After failing to capitalize on the Darby interception, the offense regrouped and started to find the holes in the Buccaneers' defense.
1st and 10. Let's see if the Eagles can get something going. With 11 to go here in the first half, and they're trailing 7-0. Foles backs up, he fires, completes the pass across the 30 and up to the 33 comes Zach Ertz. Foles, he backs up, he steps up, he fires it. He's got a first down as he completes it to Nelson Aguilar. Give goes to Clement, and is he in? Yes, touchdown!
With the score tied at 7, the Eagles' defense tried to stymie the high-powered Tampa offense, but 3 quick scores put the Eagles in a 27-7 hole.
9:19 remaining in the third quarter, and the Eagles are way behind.
The Eagles answered back with a 9-play drive.
Clement to the right of Foles. 2 receivers right, 1 left. Foles back. Foles steps up. He fires. Complete. Aguilar. First down and more. At the 40. At the 30. At the 20. And finally out of bounds. Pushed out by Smith. But there is a big pickup there. Handoff to Jay. And he slams in and goes in backwards.
Down 13 points, the offense would need 2 touchdowns to overcome the deficit.
This is the most important Eagles play of the game right here. Foles. Back, looks, fires to the far side of the end zone, and it is for Aguilar, and it's a catch! It's a touchdown! That's the way it ends, as the Eagles are now 1-1 on the season, as they lose to the Tampa Bay Bucks 27-21.